I don't know whether you can able to see the it was Bangalore Metro. So it's very good. This train, some of the route, it's just beside of metro. Goes almost parallel with the Bangalore Metro. Yeah. Thank you. आपका नाम? Okay. So go for no food because Bangalore to Mysore is almost very less distance. Till I got 1 liter of water. So what's going in the paint, okay? So yeah, one correction in the last video or the second last video that in the western toilet I told the tissues are available and maybe the staff has forgot to keep tissues in the Indian toilet. Sorry, those were not tissues actually. Those were your it's that actually like in the commode above that you keep one paper. I don't know, commode cover or something is called. Okay, yeah, for individual you take the paper and you do your work and then you what to do, you just flush it, because in one office I have seen the instruction that you flush it, it will go inside, or you can keep it in the dustbin also. Normally you can flush it all. Okay, so those are not tissues, those are the commode cover or whatever, the exact name that I don't know, but yeah, it's only available with the commode only. That's why it's kept in the western toilet. Okay. Even we opt for no food, but welcomed by this 1 liter of rail near water bottle. Okay. The interior view is very good. It's temperature is almost ambient temperature. Okay. Okay. So like this, I will be giving you information and all, making vlogs for you. Okay. So I will update you every time. Be updated and yeah. So this is the one of the metro route. You can see or not. Yeah, that's bridge you can see, na? Yeah, that's the metro route. I don't know up to which this metro route will go parallelly. And also one thing, when the train picks up, like accelerates, it's almost no jerking. Okay, you can explain. That's one of the metro route. On the very first of this video, I have shown the metro going. I don't know whether that is clearly visible or not, but yeah. So that's some unique view, you know, that view of